and a warm welcome to one and all. If you're here, you're a member of the Scruffy Squad and you're looking for the tour of the Discord and the various little bits and pieces, or you may be interested in becoming part of the squad. Now, it's broken into two halves. We have just the support half where there's a tip and a super supporter, and I'll throw a couple of videos each week for the super supporters. If you're on the tip, it's early access to the public videos, sometimes weeks in advance, and you'll get to see the news update very early morning. Then it's really just sort of the Rogue Plus and Rogue One. What they are is they're identical, except the Rogue One, each month I will sit down personally with you and do a one-to-one with you. Okay, that's the only difference between the two of them. All right. And with the one, I only take a handful at a time because obviously it's very time consuming. So let's jump into this and we'll see. So on the front page of YouTube, you will come here and you'll see you've got the membership. That's where you'll come and go. You can make your adjustments, etc. You click that. And it's laid out in such a way you can kind of see what videos is currently tracking. Ones that I've just updated, popular videos that everybody likes to see, and then there's playlists for the members only. Now, from here, if you go into the YouTube comments, which is in the posts, which is this bit here, you'll get all sort of member content in there as well. And then if you're a plus level and above, this is where you'll find the link for the Discord. Okay. So let's flick over into the Discord itself. Now it's broken up into certain sections. Everybody starts here, okay, in the start. So you come in, read this section. Tells you what the rules are and it tells you how to connect. If you don't do that, you won't get any further than this point. If you're stuck, you can go to the Discord help because sometimes people get a little bit confused. They will help you there. The red flag is there's a lot of copycat people out there pretending to be myself. We give the heads up in here of all those people that are trying. Unfortunately, with social media, Discord, Telegram, etc., we can't stop it. The only thing we can do is educate you. And the rule of thumb is I do not DM anybody. It's why I closed the Facebook group and the Telegram down. It was just too difficult. So they were taken away. Everything is in here. But the number one rule is I do not DM anybody. You want to contact me, you either do it through the WhatsApp or you do it through my official email. Okay, so that rules that off. Once you've been through there, I'll just do like a top down. The live bar, there's a couple of guys in there talking as we speak, is exactly what it says it is. You know, it's a face-to-face bar where you can talk to each other, share your screens, talk about what you're doing. I pop in there as well, and that runs 24 hours a day. The Roughnecks, that's a second bar, just in case we have a failure on Zoom when we do our live calls. We can go in there, so it's a bit of a backup. Then we go down into the nicks and crannies. Trader Talk, this is where everything happens. Now, the rules of the group are here. The updates of the group are here. I suggest you keep an eye on these. You are told to read the rules in the updates when you come in. And then away you go. Now, the coffee lounge is just having a bit of a chat. Sometimes they'll drop in where they're a bit stuck, but it's mainly just for hello, memes. Have a bit of a joke, one thing and another, and greet each other. Come into Bulls and Bears. This is where they will talk about exactly what they're trading, what they're looking for, etc. Small success. Again, this is keeping everybody in check. We do a lot of prop challenges. We do a lot of building small accounts into big accounts. The guys talk about it in here. Talking of the prop, this is where it is. Keep them on top of each other. Our preferred company is the 5%ers. As you can see, I just got paid out again there. And the guys are doing quite well. Happy days. Rory, screaming along. You know, Akim, just being passed. all of this sort of thing. It's wonderful to see the guys' journeys, and it's all first hand. Saving acorns, this is for the longer term stuff. This particular account here, if I just drop that up, I started this quite a while ago with under 500 quid, and the guys have seen me build this account up. It's now at 134, it's actually over 135,000 as we're speaking, but you'll see updates on that. Rags and Riches is kind of exactly what it says it is. It's where they post what they've been up to, what they're doing, and have a little chat and keep their motivations going. So they're all the chat channels. Now, they were created in such a way that it's quite compact and everybody's quite intimate in the way they can talk with each other, which is something I love. Come down into the Trader Clinic. This is where I genuinely help the guys best I can. It's very simple. The learning path is in here. Gives you an idea of what's going on and what to expect from the various modules. Discount vouchers. I'll give you discount vouchers all the time, whether I can find them from sort of good companies. Go in there, you'll sort of get 5% off the fivers. And I often drop them in the videos as well. Signals, it's a bit of a Mickey take because it's well known that I don't like signals. So we go in there and take the mick out of each other. If you're a signal hunter, I've got no time for you. The poll booth, they can drop their polls in and they can start having a little look, see what's going on, this sort of things like that. Ask Scruff, this is quite important. This is where they can ask me anything they want, and if it's not in sort of the modules or something, because sometimes if it's just show me the strategy, I'll point it to the module. But if it's a little bit more in depth, I'll come to camera and I'll explain it. But not only that, they can ask me to track products, and I will. A little bit like what this is here. Can I do the euro dollar? So when you see me do a video, a lot of the time I've already told these guys exactly what I'm doing before I've gone to market. I think it's the fairest way. And that rolls into the tracker, which is exactly what it says it is. So to give you an idea, we'll come in, there's that particular example. So started at 9 o'clock. We did the markup so you know exactly what the levels are. Did the breakdown so you know the trade that I'm looking for. Followed it up because I had to wait. And then obviously the trade itself. So they've seen this beforehand, because if you see the timestamps, they are done before the trade's taken. And then the market updates. This is where I come each morning. I'll put the strength sheet in here that I make. This is personal to me because it's my own personal sort of interpretation of the market. But you can see who the strongest, the weakest is, what the change of direction or strength is from the last data sample. You can see what ATRs and products that I'm looking at, market pick, what the majors are up to, and then sort of the monthly ATR of any asset. So there's a lot of information there, and then I'll track the products through like this. So as you can see, euro dollar at 7:10, it was extended at the time, so it wasn't ready to be traded. So I had to wait, come through to 10 o'clock. Again, it changed to be wait, and then kept on going. It was still waiting, and then later on when the trade was done, you can see it. So you can track that through. Now this particular part, which is the bias, it is available to the plus guys and above if they follow the instructions in the modules. If it's just a case of emailing me, give me, I'll just ignore that. Okay, so that's the Trader Clinic. Well, this is just pictures of where we've been and what we're up to, that sort of thing. You know, it's normally basically us as drunk as lords, but it's just pictures of who we are and what we've been up to. So I'll give you kind of an example. When we're at we get together, there's some of the events that we've been to, and again, Scruff in the Sun, where we all went off to Benidorm, which I'm going again in October. So just shift that to one side. Broker and tools, exactly what it says it is. We start at the top. Everybody comes here, tells you exactly what to do. Go through the modules and complete the 30-day challenge, and your reward is the prime bias. and this will tell you how you operate that bias tool. Okay, Scruff tools, all of my various sort of wage makers, cash builders, etc. You get them all here. You can pick and use as many or as little as you like. Recommended books, go in here, very simple. Member tools, there's a lot of the guys have made things for MT5 and various things that we have. Again, you get all of that here. Recommended brokers, well, what we look at is BlackBull Markets is our primary one, simply because it's worldwide and offers the leverage. You do see me use WebTrader on a UK-based broker, but because a lot of the members are overseas, BlackBull is a one-fits-all for us. Okay, so that's what that is. When you're looking for what the schedule is, I put a schedule in here of what I'm up to. I've just returned from my holidays today, so this will get updated. But basically, this is where you will find the Zoom meeting links, and it'll tell you what time we're going to go live, etc. And then the link is dropped into here. Okay, so that's updated every day that we do it. I am live every day with the guys, and you'll find the Zoom link in here. It's posted around 15 minutes before we go live. It's just to stop people sharing it, and then when it's finished, it's deleted, and a fresh one is put in its place. Then we come into the video. This is the heart of what goes on. We're the Scruff modules here. There's currently 53 modules, and inside of them tells you exactly how I trade, what I look for, etc., etc. Okay, and it starts with how to set your charts up, how to use your journals, how to set your position sizes, you name it, types of different trades, pre-market, window of the world, pick the best trade for the day, narrow the product down, how to mark that key level, validate that level, see what trading arena it's going to be in, the anchor chart, how to understand the +1, -1 direction, what trigger chart to use, how to draw Goldeneye, the Bollinger Band, how an RSI works, how to read and draw Fibonacci fully, sensible targets, and that's up to 20. There's a lot of information here. Sensible stops, scruffy madness, ladder trade, how to get your trigger candle, how to stay in a trade longer, how to use Fibonacci as your triggers, your mindset, how to read conditions very quickly, when to stay out of the market. Now that's important. That's probably the one that you want to look at a lot. Fixed stop tools, the power of 3. Then you go into various strategies that are used, no man's land, the whip, the gold cross, the hybrid river, push, news trading, my predominant way of trading, which is Goldeneye, mindset thoughts, live examples done with the guys so they can see it, how to risk profile yourself. Then you've got your broad stroke directions, hold or kill it. Box theory is another type of trade. 3-click bias, which is what I use most of the time. How to do a 3-click bias score so you can grade what's going on. Then you've got the 4 states of the Bollinger Band. How to road map a fib. Earn your right. That is the one that you need to watch the most. Earn the right to trade. Too many people will just gloss over and they'll go straight to strategies, and then you've got red light, green light, which is a very simple trigger. It's a very comprehensive set of modules about trading. Trading you cannot learn in 15 minutes. It takes a long time. The Trader Clinic, well, that runs on from Ask Scruff. I put them all into here. There's up to 294 video questions here. So if you've got a question, the chances are you'll find it here. We do a replay of all of the live sessions that we do here. And then down here is just various other bits of playlists. Like all my coffee with Scruffs, interviews that I've been in, areas of Goldeneye, how to look at it through fully, how to trade red light, green light, how to trade box theory, how to trade the river push, building up small accounts, how Scruffy Madness works, because that's a big one. Most people don't understand it, but it is an institutional way of trading. Strategy, just basic strategies that we look at. Foundation trading, snapshots of quick questions to answer. Various live streams that we've done. Full trade breakdown, which is just full walkthroughs. All the markups. They did request Bitcoin, so I do that for them on a weekend. Then how-tos, so if you're stuck, how to use a weighted buy tool, how to do various updates, how to lay things out. All these different things are there. And then the general videos that you see. So it's quite a comprehensive Discord and membership. Now, the way that it works is YouTube run the membership. I have nothing to do with it. I just provide the content, and what you're paying for inside of that is all the videos and the little bits of extras. And then for those that were plus and above, I created the Discord and I own that. Okay, so that's kind of the way it works. And at the very top, you'll find my WhatsApp number, which is the only official way you'll contact me. So I hope that helps you guys. Enjoy your time inside the Discord. And if you're stuck, just reach out. I'll always answer you. See you soon.